guys, this is gonna be the last video of me in this room for a minute in this area of my closet. So if you can see by the video, we're doing a lot. We gonna be cleaning. Y'all, I'm actually irritated. I'm editing the video, and why did the video go in slow motion? Like, why was it in slow motion the whole entire time I was recording? Now I'm looking crazy on this thing talking to y'all many a days later, and I was talking to myself in slow motion. As y'all can see, I'm still in the room, but all I was talking about is my nails. I got my nails done, and like, basically this vlog is a mess, but I just wanted to take y'all on this mess because this whole journey of getting ready for college is a mess. It's just too, it's like this up and down. It's like that video. It's in slow motion, then it's in fast motion. It really made me mad because I really thought I was recording in regular speed. Like, I thought I was recording in regular speed the whole time, and this whole time I've been recording in slow motion. As y'all can see, that I am very mad while I am editing this video, but you know what? I'm not even gonna care. Because guess what? I leave within like a couple of like hours. Like tomorrow, probably, what time is it? Okay, tomorrow it's almost Tuesday. I leave the 21st. Tomorrow's the 20th. But y'all, and then somebody's calling me. Like, I'm really irritated. But these are my nails. And that's all I have to tell y'all. So bye. Love you. And finish watching this video. So y'all, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I have to do, honestly, is pick up the stuff off the floor and what is this, like some oil? Something didn't waste on the floor. Got something on the camera. But all I gotta do is, I don't have no sheets on my bed because like gotta clean it. But I need to clean off the floor. I still haven't found my stand for everything else, like, so that y'all can see better angles in my room. But hey, don't got time to be looking for that right now. But my trash bag is getting a little big, I'm not gonna lie. So I need a ponytail holder. I can't do all this hair. And not my pouch. Okay, I can't do all the hair on my head. Okay, so here's my duffel bag that I'm bringing onto the plane, and one of my other suitcases that still needs to be packed. My duffel bag still is going to hold all the stuff that I know that I cannot lose, I cannot leave. It can't be damaged. It can't be doing nothing else but being in LA with me. So that's what I'm doing. But I need to get this stuff from over here into like an area that is not gonna move from. And I'm gonna put this on the bed. So I still need to wash my clothes, but I don't think I'm gonna wash until I'm done with all of my until like the day before I leave, because most of the clothes that I'm wearing is clothes that's not staying with me. It's not coming with me. Let's stop the yapping and just clean. Question is, when y'all are about to mop, do y'all use y'all tea kettle to make hot water? Because I do. I use the tea kettle to make hot water. so that my water can so the water can literally be steaming out the thing, because you don't want any cold water. Like, I just want my room to be clean before I come, like when I leave, because when I come back it better be the same way. So now I have to wait because I can't find the mop. And also I just want to wait because I need to see like what items I can take from the house, or like what items I need to get, such as like hair products, meaning like blow dryers, the hot comb. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna finish up tomorrow. And get everything together tomorrow. Just do crunch time, because as of right now I am at a standstill, and I learned from this experience. Right now, when you at a standstill, let it be a standstill and leave it alone. Come back tomorrow. Come back when you can't do it. Come back when you're strong, because look, it just don't work if you're not strong enough to do it. So therefore, I have nothing else to do. Like, my mind is literally blank. I did the water and I can't find the mop. So I'm taking it as a sign of I don't have anything else to do, because maybe I just should try it again tomorrow. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So see you guys tomorrow, because this video is gonna be longer than I thought. It's the second day and I woke up no lashes, no nothing, because the lashes was not working with me last night. And I already cleaned my room basically and cleaned the bathroom, so y'all missed that because I had to wake up and get right to it. But we finna do a couple of runs for the trunk party, so I'm just gonna film the trunk party too, because why not? Excuse me. But yeah, I'm gonna film the trunk party and we're about to go get some chicken. What? Why is that braid like that? Sometimes the bigger braids be blowing me. Cause why is you sticking up like you crazy? And why all of them like that? You know what? I don't even care. But I can't not stop looking at it. Okay, but that's what we're gonna do, and y'all gonna come along with me. Do Oscar and Mr. Ferguson hiding behind that tree. This little mommy is asking you. Gotta pick up some chicken at 12. Yeah. know if I need one. I can go and get one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like 2 pans and it's gonna be hot.
Okay, I'll go and get it.
And then when you put it, you can't go off this extra part.
Right,
Because it's gonna
go
get
all the
stuck.
way. Yeah.
And they're gonna ask for the receipt.
Yeah, I got
So
it
in
in my
case you
hand.
didn't have, I could have gave you this.
I just got out the shower and my eyebrows are growing. My eyebrows are growing. But I just got out the shower and I'm not gonna lie, time is moving fast. Your girl is brushing her teeth. She's gonna go put on her stuff. The party actually starts now at 3 o'clock. And I'm still getting ready. So I don't know what to say, but that 1 second, y'all. But I might end the video. I'm sorry that this video was a little chaotic and everywhere. But I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Looks like I'm done getting dressed and like all my other stuff.